I'm sitting in a 2019 Toyota CHR Prox. I have one Prox key. We're going to be adding another Prox key. So let's get started. CHR, key coding 19. We're going to go to smart key number 4. Turn hazard lights. Hazard lights are on. Counter keys 2. I'm going to program a key. Okay. Existing key. Hold up to the button. Got to press the OK button. There's our first beep. Then we take our next key. Hold it to the button. We should get 2 beeps. There we go. 2 beeps. Now we just have to wait till the timer runs down and it'll store the key. Okay, procedure's complete. Check our key count. Should have 3. There we are. Check our new key right here. Lock and lock. Perfect. All right, we are done.